Hi guys, this is Miss Regine, and today we are learning how to graph ordered pairs on a coordinate plane. So a coordinate plane is our XY axis. This is our Y axis, and all these are positive, so I'll make a short negative. This is our X axis. So this is what we call a coordinate plane. And we're going to make polygons on here. And a polygon, if you remember, is just a closed shaped figure. The particular polygon we're making here is a rectangle. All right, so it says the vertices of a rectangle are 1, 6. So that's the first point. So X is 1, Y. Forgive my crooked lines. It's hard to draw straight lines on this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, 6. So X is 7, Y is 6. And then 7, 2. So X is 7, Y is 2. And 1, 2. So you can see that this is a rectangle. Let me put this over on this side. And over here also. Make it look a little neater. All right, so this is our rectangle. All right, so with our rectangle here, they said to find the perimeter and the area. So because this is just a straight rectangle, we can just count. If we look at the difference, like if we start over here to go from A to B, how many jump is that? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can see that we have moved 6 spaces going from where X was 1 to where X is 7. Because it's a rectangle, we do know the bottom would be the same too. And now if we're doing BC to go from here to here, we're looking at the change in Y now. And we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a distance of 4 units. Now to find the perimeter, if you remember, the perimeter is to add all around our figure. So in adding all around our figure, we have 20. And let's say this was centimeters. Let's say our units was in centimeters. So we have 20 centimeters. Now our area is to multiply length times width. And that would be 6 times 4, which would give us 24. And then remember, for area, you need to write it as square centimeters. All right, so let's do one more. So a polygon has points F at does this have some negative numbers? And then we need to find the perimeter and area. So this one does not tell us what shape we're starting with, but let's see if we can figure it out from the drawing. Let's try that again. That's too crooked. All right, so 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and +2. Five and -1. All right, so that's our figure. Let's try to make this a little straighter. That's a little bit, okay. Again, it's a rectangle. And you can usually tell when you see, so you see we have our x are the same here, 5 and 5, but then we have a change in y of 2 and -1. So if you want to look at the distance, you really look at the difference between 2 and -1. 1, 2, 3, so that's 3. We'll say centimeters again. We'll just use the unit centimeters. And then here you have -2, -2. But -1 and 2. Okay, that's what we just did. To look at the, I guess we'll look at the difference between 5 and -2. Yeah, over here. And you can just count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's a distance of 7. So because these were straight lines, so it was pretty straightforward and easy to see with this one. So if we're doing our perimeter, remember, if this is a rectangle, and you can always count again to verify, but all sides, opposite sides are congruent. So our perimeter, we will just add up our sides. So you can try it on your own first and see if you get the correct answer. So we have 7 + 7 is 14. 3 and 3 is 6. 14 + 6 is 20. All right, same like last time. We have a perimeter of 20. And now area, you multiply. And 7 times 3 is 21. So we have an area of 21 square centimeter. All right, so I hope this was helpful today. We reviewed just how to basically graph order pair. Remember, you go across X and then up Y. X is your first number, Y is your second number. And then we reviewed how to find the area and perimeter of the figures that we drew. I hope this was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.